Hello. Am I audible loud and clear to the last people sitting there? Just raise your hand if I am audible. Thank you. Uh, I think before we even start, I think after lunch it has been quite lazy for everyone. I think I just wanted to quickly make things in a way where people are listening, because I'm not going to take a lot of time from you. I'm just going to take 15 minutes and I'm going to take you through why we are doing what we are doing and what is AI certifications, because few gentlemen who came here before me also spoke about how AI is coming for you, right? I mean, I represent AI CERTs, which is a AI and blockchain certification body. We have been into the industry for more than 2 decades. We are based out of United States of America, and I'm representing US here, and we have very specific collaborations that have been done in AI and blockchain in Asia Pacific. Thailand has become one of our very prime objective of scaling AI in the Southeast Asia. So thank you one and all for attending it. I'm not going to take more than 15 minutes as I pointed it out, but I would expect all of you to engage, ask questions if you have any, so that I'll be able to answer it for you. So moving to who we are and what we do today, you see the 6 different brands right now on the stage on the screen. One is N Plus. It might remind you with Netflix. Uh, you have Netcom Learning, the next one. You see on the third side, we have AI Certs, we have Adoptify AI, we have AI Labs and Sardir Foundation. So just quickly wanted to give everyone an understanding on what we do, why we do. N Plus is a upskilling platform because we are talking about AI a lot. AI has to do a lot with adoption of AI, and before adoption, it has to do a lot with building the capability within the organization. And building the capability within the organization has to do a lot with two things. One, very specific people readiness and org readiness. Whether your people are really ready to implement AI and whether your org is ready to implement AI responsibly. That's what Certain ecosystem today does. And plus, we know that AI is growing very fast, and AI is not about tools at all, just the tools. AI is growing so fast that every 30 days we are changing our habits. I was using ChatGPT 30 days back. Today I am using Claude to Anthropic. Tomorrow I might use some other tools. So it's very important the tech stack that we have, it's need to be upgraded. And that's where N Plus comes into picture, where it's an upgraded library that we have created, where all the content gets upgraded automatically with what you do. When it comes to Netcom Learning is a virtual instructor-led training academy where we have a lot of instructors across the world. They train you using the instructor. If you are not interested in N+, maybe you feel that you have to train your people, you need people to train them, that's where Netcom Learning comes into picture. Now, the best part is I'm here to talk about AI certs. AI certs is a certification body where we don't teach generic AI. We have seen that AI is everywhere, but we need to contextualize AI. So if we talk about AI certification, it is role specific certification. If you are into operations, you are a executive, you are into HR, you are into finance, you are into legal, you don't have to study everything about AI, but you have to study exactly what is required for your specific job role. And that's where AI certs comes into play. AI certs is a role specific certification body where if you are into maybe operations, you are into HR, you are into healthcare, you are into any specific domain, how you can increase your productivity by implementing the right workflows of AI. That's what the certification does. Fourth one is Adoptify AI. Adoption of AI has to do a lot with mindset training, with expert advice, and with a lot to do with change management. A lot of times, executives, CEOs, CTOs have a lot of pressure on them to really implement AI, and there is no problem of budget. Everyone wants to invest in AI, but are they really getting the ROI after AI? After putting in so much of money, are they really getting ROI on that? Is where AI, Adoptify AI comes into place. And with that, we have AI Labs and Sardir Foundation. So I'm not going to go a lot detail into AI Labs and Sardir, but I am going to talk about who we are, what we do. So as I rightly mentioned to you, we have two kinds of professionals, right? One is professionals and the other is technical professionals, right? So for professionals, we have certifications starting from AI Foundation, which we are going to give it to a lot of people today. We want you to explore AI Foundation as a course, right? To understand what are the key nuances that are introduced into AI on the upgraded library content. We have AI Everyone, AI Executive, AI Prompt Engineering, which is a part of Essential and Literacy. So AI starts from literacy, fluency, and practitioner. So you first get yourself literate by AI, then you become fluent in AI, and then you actually go and become a practitioner in AI. So I'm just going to repeat it that we have business and functions. If you see AI sales, if you are into sales, you are into marketing, you are into finance, you are into human resource, project management, how AI is really helping you. And that's where these certifications becomes very important. These certifications are accredited. These certifications are not merely a certificate. You have to give an exam to clear the certification, and then you own the certification. We have design and creative. If you are into UI UX design, you have a course called AI design. We have AI educator. If you are an educator, you want to upskill yourself how you should manage a classroom. We have AI educator. Then we have industry and sector certifications, where we have AI healthcare, AI construction, AI government, AI policymaker, and AI pharma. Then we have specialized certifications, which is agent. We have been talking about AI agents a lot. All of you are very clear about agentic AI model, right? We know that now it's no more a SaaS system. It is going to be agent as a service that is going to get introduced in future, where people are going to use multiple agents to complete what they want to do as a task. That is one of the reasons we have introduced certifications and course with AI agent. So you have AI agent, you have AI healthcare administrator, you have AI medical assistant, you have AI environment. So I'm going to go next on the technical certification, since we have a lot of people here who are from data centers, who have been very closely working with the infrastructure, IT infrastructure. We have courses for you as well. We have AI plus data, we have AI plus engineer, we have AI plus developer for developers. Then we go into security and trust, which is something which is going to be exciting for you, because cybersecurity has been the prominent part of IT infrastructure. We have AI ethical hacker, AI security, and AI security compliance. Then we have emerging tech as well, where we have AI robotics, AI quantum, AI vibe coder, AI context engineering, and then of course, cloud and architecture. We have AI architect and AI cloud. So with that, I just wanted to quickly tell you that we are one-stop solution for implementing AI. We have been working with Microsoft for 27 years. Microsoft has been helping us in terms of developing everything that we do today. So we are not just merely an organization that is supported by some investors, but we have been into the industry for 27 years, and we have been partnered with top players like Accenture, PwC. We are partnered with Microsoft. We are partnered with AWS and Cisco. They have been using our systems. They have been using these certifications to implement and adopt AI into their current ecosystem. I think these are the recently launched certifications. If I talk about AI context engineering, wipe coder, medical assistant, healthcare, pharma, AI construction. We all know that real estate is growing really fast, and we do not know how AI is going to really impact the construction industry. And that's one of the reasons we brought in AI plus construction. So I just wanted to tell everyone that now we have AI everywhere, and how you can use AI everywhere in your particular job role and in that particular industry is very, very important. That is what we are trying to solve the problem. First of all, I wanted to tell everyone that Bangkok has become the center of Southeast Asia in terms of technology backbone. PSTC has been our partner since 1 year now, and they have been extremely, what I say is they've been very great in terms of implementing AI practices. They have been onboarding clients from enterprise to universities to students who are studying in schools. So one of the things I want all of you to put hands together, as they have won the Global Partner Awards here as a regional partner, PSTC Academy. So if you can just clap for 2 minutes or maybe 20 seconds, I would appreciate it. Thank you. So PSTC is our implementation partner. They are using all our services. They have been making great progress. I'm going to talk about that progress very soon so that you understand why this partnership is very important with them. So if you want something from us, just don't come to us. Just go to PSTC Academy. They are the ones who are implementing everything there. So we drove regional demand in just 1 year. PSTC has drove regional in demand by generating a lot of certification demand in universities, enterprises, and schools. We have expanded our network, onboarded new authorized training partners in AI CERTs ecosystem. We did about 125 instructor-led classes. So that's a huge number where we have already conducted classroom classes for enterprise employees who are actually working in organizations, and we have trained them on how to use AI into their job role. So I'm going to go back and give you some stats here so that it helps everyone understand. 146 learners have been enrolled. We have taken 270 certifications, out of which 235 has been completed, which is 87% completion. When we say completion, it's important to understand people who have completed and cleared the certification. Our certifications are standardized, they are accredited, and that's one of the reasons it's not easy to clear certifications if you don't have the right partner to really understand the use of AI into your particular job. So kudos to PSTC Academy for really helping us implement AI with governments, universities, enterprise, specifically in Southeast Asia. Of course, data centers and the imperative AI that we have all talked about, I think a lot of gentlemen have already talked about. I was very keenly listening to how liquid cooling helps in data centers. I think it's very important that the backbone of digital economy today has been the data center, cybersecurity, supporting data centers, and of course, the hardware systems that are growing every day has been prominent. So I think energy and cooling that we talked about, uptime and reliability, we all know that, I don't have to tell anyone, but you all know that optimizing the cost, optimizing the uptime, and really, really looking at the increase in productivity is something that everyone is working on. So smart capacity and sustainability, intelligent workload placement and capacity planning increases the utilization. Sustainability, AI optimization lowers the carbon footprint, advancing carbon neutral in operations. So I think we are going in the right direction. I have really thoroughly enjoyed my time here when I was listening to everyone, and I appreciate your time listening to me as well. Thank you so much for that, and thank you for having me, PSTC Academy, over here. Again, thank you so much for your time. If you need any help in terms of enterprise adoption of AI, it starts from building the capability in your organization. If people do not know how to use AI, there is no reason why they will actually use AI. So you have to build the capability, and then you have to drive the adoption. So that's where PSTC has been our partner. Reach out to them. If you need any more help, I'm around till 8 p.m. in the night. Please reach out to me as well. Thank you so much. Thank you for your time.
Thank you so much, Rahul, for letting us know a lot more about AI, sir. Thank you.